All right, well, welcome back to Big Bert's Adventures. I know it's been a while. It's vacation season, what can I say? I just wanted to jump on here and do a follow-up to the radiator on the Jeep Renegade. So far, the radiator's done really good. We had a professional flush afterwards. Seems like it's holding up, no leaks. Knock on wood, right? So the reason why we're having a follow-up here is when you do this radiator repair, in order to get the front clip off, you have to pull and break the tabs on this this piece here, this side flare, and you have to break these clips that are inside here. There's no other way to do it. I mean, even the instructional manual says to break the clips and replace. Well, this side, I put some Gorilla Tape on just to kind of temporarily hold it in while I was going to get the clips ordered. My wife brought the Jeep to the car wash, and my procrastination, I forgot to get these tabs replaced, and we lost this entire side. So I'll be showing you today that you can correct your mistakes, own up to them online, and I'll put this in the link in the description below. They just happen to have this problem all the time with the Renegade and Patriot, and so I got these ordered. My wife actually got them ordered after I found replacements, and they come with the clips, complete kit replacement. These ran about $40. They're aftermarket, but they will replace. And while we're there, we just went ahead and got the driver's side as well, so we'll be putting that on. Again, they come with all the clips, and pretty cool, pretty reasonable. I think it was all together around $78 for these replacements. You can see how ugly it looks without them, and you just have to pop these out and put them back in. So that's what we'll be doing today. Show you that. It'll be, like I said, it'll be just a quick video. And so it looks like we had several on there. These could be a little bit of a pain. Oh. They come off pretty easy. Match that up there. Hopefully that's the right one. Plastic here. Let's see. Hopefully get everything on shot. Okay. Shout out to my wife for ordering these. I didn't even know she ordered them. I just sent her the link and said, I think we can fix this problem. Sometimes in life you just have to own up to breaking stuff. So, but she ordered them, and boom, they got here quick. So that was good. So yeah, so what we're gonna do here is just see if this matches. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's gonna look good. Of course it looks new and the others look old, right? But yeah, so it matches really good. You can see here. Oh yeah, that looks good. Now to just put the pop ends in. Sorry if it's a little dark. It is the middle of the day. It's about 91 degrees. You know, give or take. A little warm. But yeah, our goal is just to get this popped on here and go replace the other side. We're going to start with the bottom here. Just click like that. Okay. There it is, just like that. Alright. It's on. Alright, that easy. So nice and tight. Nice and flush. Everything matches up. Looks pretty good. Give it the jank test. Yank and jank. As you can hear, they were clipping in there pretty good. Even this bottom part, it's pretty good. All right, well, we are on the left side, the driver's side now, and as you can tell, I put Gorilla Tape on this one on the inside so it wouldn't fly off, but just kind of showing you an example of when you pull these, they just break. See, they break right off, and that's how it's done. And sometimes you get lucky, and these two I did fish out of there and put back on, but the other side I wasn't able to do that, and that's why when it hit the car wash it flew off and broke right about there. And you can see this one right here is breaking the same place, so we're going to go ahead and replace it today. But just so you can see, again, let's set you up. Set you up over here. So it's a little dark. Alright. So you can't do a slow yank, you just yank. And it pulls them and breaks them. And then you want to slip that bottom tab out there. And that's kind of what you got left with is, you know, really a snapped fender flare. So there's that one. And it looks awful, I know. And this one replaces it. So let's get these, all the rest of these out of here. That Gorilla Tape off. Let's just show you. Hopefully everything's in frame here. All right. Oh, okay. This bad boy's in there. Do a little yank test on it. Oh yeah, they all clipped in nicely. You just kind of go through, give it a nice little last push. Make sure this bottom here is all equal. Look at that. All the way around, nice and tight. All right. All right, well, let's see how we did here. We got the fender flares on, nice and flush, everything clicked down, not even missing one tab. And then on the other side here, same thing, nice and flush, looking good. So the final thing that we do here, and I'll bring you right to that. Here she is on her final voyage of this go around. Oh yeah, car wash detail, looking good. All right, see the fender wells are on. They stayed on during the car wash. Car stayed cool. That's the way it is.